Good day everyone. The topic assigned to our group is the metabolic processes. So let's start. Metabolic processes are a series of chemical reactions that occur within living organisms to maintain life. They involve the conversion of nutrients into energy, the synthesis of molecules for growth and repair, and the elimination of waste products. Metabolic processes collectively regulate the conversion of nutrients into energy, the building and maintenance of cellular structures, and the elimination of waste products. They encompass both anabolic and catabolic pathways, ensuring a dynamic balance within living organisms. Metabolism is essential for energy production, growth, repair, and overall functioning of cells and organisms. And there are two main types of metabolic. The two main types of metabolic processes are the anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism involves the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones requiring energy. Catabolism, on the other hand, is the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy in the process. Together, they maintain the balance of energy and substance within an organism.
So now let's talk about anabolic processes. So what is anabolic processes? Anabolism is a process of metabolism. It is constructive process. It is defined as simple molecules that combines to form complex molecules or the generation of complex molecule from simple molecules. It is usually requires energy. This process produces complex molecules that can be used to store energy. So, what describes the anabolic processes? So, anabolism is a process by which the body utilizes the energy released by the catabolism to synthesize complex molecules. So anabolic processes build organs and tissues. These processes produce growth and differentiation of cells and increase in the body size, a process that involves synthesis of complex molecules. Example of anabolic processes includes the growth and the mineralization of bones, increases in the muscle mass.
Next is the catabolism. Catabolic processes break down complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy. So this energy is then often captured in the form of ATP. So ano nga ba yung ATP? ATP, also known as adenosine triphosphate. So ito yung ginagamit para mag-store ng energy na nakuha mula sa mga nutrients tulad ng mga carbohydrates, and upang maglabas ng energy kapag ito ay kinakailangan para sa pagbuo ng mga bagong molecules. Next is the organotropes. Organotropes use organic sources as a source of energy. So organotropes play a crucial role in metabolic processes by utilizing organic compounds as a source of energy. Through catabolic reactions, these organisms break down complex organic molecules such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. This breakdown releases energy that is then harnessed to produce ATP, the primary energy currency in cells. The ATP generated is utilized in various anabolic processes for the synthesis of essential cellular components, supporting growth, maintenance, and overall cellular functions. Second is the lithotropes, used in organic substrates. Lithotropes use these inorganic compounds as a source of electrons in electron transport chains. This electron flow generates a proton gradient, ultimately driving the production of ATP through chemiosmosis. While lithotropes are less common than organotropes, they play important roles in various ecosystems, particularly in environments where organic compounds are scarce. Next is the phototropes. Phototropes uses sunlight as chemical energy. So phototropes are organisms that use sunlight as their primary source of energy for metabolic processes. In particular, phototropes perform photosynthesis, a complex series of biochemical reactions. During photosynthesis, light energy is captured by pigments and converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP. This energy is then used to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic compounds, such as glucose. The overall contributes to the production of biomass and provides energy for various cellular activities. Metabolism can be broken down into three main stages. First, in the stage of digestion. This stage acts on starch, cellulose, or proteins that cannot be directly absorbed by the cells. Smaller components such as fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose outside the cell by digestive enzymes such as glucoside, hydrolases for carbohydrates, and pepsin for proteins. This occurs in the digestive tract of humans. Hydrolases for carbohydrates and pepsin for proteins. This occurs in the digestive tract of humans. Next is the release of energy. In the cytoplasm, glucose is further transformed to pyruvate, which causes synthesis of two ATP molecules. In humans, these small molecules are transported across the digestive system's tissues into circulatory tissues, then distributed throughout the body. Lastly is the stage 3, energy stored. NADH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide plus hydrogen. So ito ay natural na nangyayari sa katawan ng tao and importante siya sa pagbuo ng energy. So taking NADH supplements might affect blood pressure and other effects. The energy released from this is stored in ATP by reduction of the NADH in the electron transport chain. This process is called oxidative phosphorylation and releases carbon dioxide as a waste product. Thank you. That's all po. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, yeah. Bobby Valentino.